Welcome back to Robbie Hobby, where we are about to dive into one of my all-time favorite Indian dish, Daal Fry or Daal Tadka. But before we get cooking, let's sprinkle in a dash of history and health benefits. Dal fry isn't just a delicious comfort food, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with protein and bursting with flavor, is the perfect vegan option for anyone looking to add more plant-based goodness to their diet. For that we need 1 cup of Tuvar dal, also known as split pigeon peas, half cup of Masoor dal, red lentils, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 to 3 green chilies, half inch ginger, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, fresh corianders, 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee is clarified butter, salt to taste, and 3 to 4 cups of water. Wash the Tuvar dal and Masoor dal thoroughly and add them to a pressure cooker. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, green chili, ginger garlic, coriander leaves, ghee, salt, and water to the cooker. Close the cooker with lids and cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 whistles. You can adjust the water according to the consistency you desire. And yes, don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Once cooked, turn up the gas and allow the pressure to release naturally. Open the cooker and marvel the delightful aroma. Take off the skins from the tomatoes. And now mix the dal very well. In a separate pan, heat ghee over medium heat. Add chopped onions, minced garlic, ginger juliennes, green chili, curry leaves, cumin seeds, and black mustard seeds to the pan. Stir in Kashmiri red chili powder and mix well until fragrant. Pour this powerful tadka over the cooked dal and give it a good mix. Also add a pinch of asafoetida, garnish the dal with fresh coriander leaves for an extra burst of flavor. Serve the delicious and healthy dal fry hot with steamed basmati rice or warm roti. And there you have it, mouth-watering dal fry ready to be enjoyed. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you are in New Jersey area, let me know if you would like to be my taste guest for next video. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy cooking.